Hello students, I hope you all are safe and sound. Today we are going to start exercise 2.4. As earlier we have done 4 questions of this exercise. Today we are going to do next questions from 5 onwards of this exercise. But before starting question number 5, we need to know some concepts related to that. See here, this is simply the expansion of decimal numbers. As you have learned earlier, expansion of numbers, see there is a decimal number 253. Okay, so before decimal the numbers are termed as ones, tens, hundred. So in ones place there is 3, ones place there is 3, and in tens place there is 5, in hundred place there is 2. So what about the number which are after decimals? These are termed as tenths, hundredths and thousands. Okay, so tenths number is written as 1 upon 10, or here it is 1, and hundredths number can be find by dividing by 100. So we write is at 1 upon 100, so it is 4 here, and for thousands it is 1 upon 1000, and it can be, it is here 7. So this is the simple expansion of the decimal number. We can expand any of the decimal number by following this criteria. Now see question number 5. Write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. What are the numbers? 20.03 is first one. So see 20.03. See, this one is called ones and tens. So for 2 it will be 2 into 10. For 0 it will be 0 into 1, because 2 is in tens place, so it will be multiplied by 10, and 0 is in ones place, so it will be multiplied by 1. Then we will put plus sign here. For this it is in tenths place. Tenths place means 1 upon 10. So 0 into 1 upon 10 for this, and 3 is in hundredths place. So it will be 3 into 1 upon 100 for this. Similarly, I have done other parts of this question for you also. You can see last one 2.034. For 2 it will be 2 into 1, plus for 0 is in tenths place, so it will be 0 into 10. 3 is in hundredths place, it will be 3 into 1 upon 100, and 4 is in thousandths place, it will be 4 into 1 upon 1000. Clear? Question number 6 is, write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. See, these are decimal number and you can find 2 everywhere there. 2, 2, 2 here, here and here also. So we have to write the place value. I hope you know about the concept of place value, as it was in the class 6th also. But there were simple numbers. Here you will get decimal numbers. What is the place value of 2 in 2.56? You see that 2 is in the ones place. So the place value is ones. Place value of 2 in 21.37 is 2 into, it is in tens place, so it is tens. Or you can write that the place value of 2 is 2 only, and here it is 20. Yes, and here the place value of 2 is, it is in tenths place, so 2 into 1 upon 12, 2 into 1 upon 10, so you can write is 0.2 we can write. And place value of 2 in 9.42, here the value of 2 can be written as 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 100, so 200th we can write, or we can write like this also. You have to write these also. Okay, now place value of 2 in 63.352, so 2 is here, so it will be divided by 1000, so 2000th, or you can write like this. Yes, these are the place value of the numbers given. Question number 7 says, Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. So this is the distance traveled by Dinesh from A to B and from B to C, and they have given the distance. A is 7.5 km from B, means the distance between A and B is 7.5 km. and B is 12.7 kilometer from C. The distance from B to C is 12.7 kilometer. Now next person is Ayub. Ayub went from place A to place D. Ayub went from place A to place D, and from there to place C, then from D to place C. The green line I am showing, these are the distances traveled by Ayub. D is 9.3 kilometer from A. The distance between D and A is 9.3 kilometer, and C is 11.8 kilometer from D. So the distance between C and D is 11.8 kilometer. They are asking for who traveled more and by how much. So as we want to know who traveled more, for this we have to find out the particular distance covered by individual person. So see here, total distance covered by Dinesh is, it will be 7.5 kilometer plus 12.7. The sum is 20.2 kilometer. It will be added like this, 12.7. डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल आना चाहिए. ओके, सो इट विल बी 2 and 1. It will be 20.2 kilometer. And total distance covered by Ayub is 9.3 and 11.8. The sum is 21.1 kilometer. So it is evident that which one is greater out of these two. The distance traveled by Ayub, that is 21.1, is greater than 20.2. So they are asking for how much more distance he has covered. To find that, we will subtract the distance covered by Dinesh from the distance covered by Ayub. So 21.1 minus 20.2. 2 is not subtracted from 1. We will take borrow from here. It will be 11. 11 minus 2, it will be 9. Nothing will remain here. It will be 20, and 20 now 0. So the final answer is 0.9 kilometer, or we can write it 900 meter also. Question number 8 is, Shyam bought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? At first, we have to find the individual weight of the fruits that were bought by Shyam and Sarla respectively. For Shyam, he has bought 5 kg 300 gram and 3 kg 250 gram. On adding these two numbers, we have got 5 plus 3, it is 8 kilogram, and 300 plus 250, it is 550 gram. So the total weight of fruit that Shyam has bought is equals to 8 kilogram 550 gram. Now total weight of fruits bought by Sarla, it's 4 kilogram 150 gram and 4 kilogram 800 gram. The total weight of fruit is 8 kilogram 950 gram, because 4 plus 4 is 8 and 800 plus 150 is 950 gram. So which one is greater out of these two? Yes, it is obvious that 8 kilogram 950 gram is greater than 8 kilogram 550 gram. What they are asking for, which, so who bought more fruits? Sarla bought more fruits. Question number 9 is, how much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? We have to find the difference of 42.6 kilometer and 28 kilometer simply. Okay, for this we have done 42.6 minus 28.1. On subtracting, what we get, sorry, it's 28.0, so it will be 6, and 12 minus 8, it will be 4, and it will remain 1. So 14.6 is the difference between 28 kilometer and 42.6 kilometer. Students, this was the final question, and the exercise is completed now. That's it for today. Thank you.